In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract cells in Google Sheets. This is a fundamental task, and mastering it will enhance your efficiency when handling numerical data. Now, there are two primary methods you can use to subtract cells in Google Sheets: the standard minus symbol and the Google minus function. We'll explore both methods together and discuss the benefits and limitations of each, so you're equipped to choose the most suitable one for your needs. Let's begin with the minus symbol method. This is probably the most intuitive way to subtract in Google Sheets. To start your formula, type in an equals sign. This tells Google Sheets that you're about to perform a calculation. Next, go ahead and select the cell containing the first number, which is the number you wish to subtract from. After selecting the cell, type in the minus symbol. Now, move on to selecting the cell with the number you want to deduct from your first number. Once you've set this up, simply press Enter. It's as easy as that, and you'll instantly see the result displayed in the cell where you entered the formula. Let's shift our focus to the second method, which involves using the minus function. You'll begin similarly by typing an equals sign to start your formula. Then type the word minus, followed by an open parenthesis. After this, select the cell with the initial number you're subtracting from. Following that, add a comma, then select the cell containing the number you want to subtract. Finally, close the parenthesis and press Enter. Just like with the minus symbol, you'll see the result appear immediately in the cell. This method provides the same result, but is a bit more descriptive when you or someone else reviews the formula later. However, there is a notable limitation when using the minus function. It's restricted to subtracting two numbers at a time. If you need to subtract more than two numbers, you would need to nest multiple minus functions, which can become cumbersome and potentially confusing. On the other hand, the minus symbol method is more flexible. If you want to subtract additional numbers, you can easily add another minus sign, followed by your additional values. Just make sure to use parentheses where needed to maintain the correct order of operations. There you have it. You now know how to subtract values in Google Sheets using two effective methods. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the minus symbol or the explicitness of the minus function, you'll be able to manage your data with greater precision. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!